What's up, everybody? And today I'm going to be playing Roblox. So today we are going to be doing Bloxburg. And I don't really got a lot so far on Bloxburg. So we're just going to do Ding Dong Ditch. If that's alright with you. And let's start. If it is, so. So, yeah, guys. Sorry for the background. Okay. Let's start with the Ding Dong Ditch and stuff. Whoa, that skateboard is really red. Oh god, I'm stinking. I'm really starving. Okay, so I had to pause for a second because I don't want no one talking in the video, or that will just make it worse.
Well, you call me.
Anyways, ignore the background. Whoa, they look rich. Well, we have to Ding Dong Ditch someone with a big house. Because then we have more room to hide. I don't want to go to your party. I mean, they may have a big house. So, we'll try later. We're trying really fast to go. And whoa, do you see that sneak trout?
Yeah.
Sister, keep on talking.
Yeah.
So before we play Ding Dong Ditch, I want you to like this video and comment down below if you want more Bloxburg videos, and subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start. We're going to start with that person over here, and then we're going to go to the one across of it. So, let's go. I'm scared. I can easily jump on the roof for all I care. Run, no. No. I'm scared. I'm gonna peek for the window. I mean, their cars are here, unless they got picked up. Let's try ringing. Now let's run. Their garage is open. Oh. I thought I saw they had 2 cars. Whoop. I always jump on their house. Whoa. That's actually cute. Maybe they're in their backyard. Let's try knocking on the back door, see if they answer. They don't answer. Come on! Well, they didn't answer. Run. Yeah, no one answered. Let's go. So, next house. So, yeah. Let's go to the next house. Still stinking. Ooh, that's a big house right there. Well, it looks long. That's pretty. Comment down below if you guys like that. Yep, they're here. Oh, crap. They're right there. You guys to be extra careful and run quick. Perfect. Oh, I'm hiding in their pool. Ha ha! Why is all these people? I think think they heard the pool. I actually think they heard the pool. Did they? Oh, crap. Oh, run, run, run. I saw them. Okay, so. I'm gonna hurry here. Even though this is the stupidest hide spot ever. Yep, it is. That's really stupid. If they don't answer, we will end this video. Oh, crap. No. I saw one of them move. Dang, my hygiene. I mean, my energy is pretty fine. Oh. They may answer this one. Guys.
What?
They may answer this one. Come on, you slowpoke! Freaking. What are they saying? Thanks, boy! Run. Well, guys, thanks for watching this video. And, oh, let me tell her. Well, bye guys, and I hope you liked this video, and bye. So make sure to subscribe.